Hello and welcome to another preview video from Midas Touch. A very quick video just on the James Bond Ultimate Bond Collection die-cast models by Corgi, which were released in 2002, and this particular one is based on the 1962 Bond film Dr. No. And this is the first in the actual series. It was #1, the first release, and this is it in the box, and that's the back of the box. It is Corgi number TYO2501, and there we are. Okay, let's get it open and have a look inside. Well, this is it now outside of the original packaging, although it's still attached to the inner packaging. Beautiful looking model, believed to be a 1/36 scale model. However, it's not printed anywhere the exact scale, but it's believed to be that particular size. Sunbeam printed on the front there, blue body and cream interior, as used by Sean Connery in the movie Dr. No. This item currently is available for sale on the Midas Touch website. If you click the link, you'll be able to search for it on the actual website. Thanks for watching. We'll do some more soon.